Your world can flip upside down in seconds. A distractive glance, an impulsive move. That's how stories like these begin. Get ready for incredible tales of routine drives that devolved into unforgettable, chaotic situations. Number 1. Distraction turns drive into disaster. It's a calm, sunny day. Mario, just like any other dad, is on his way to pick up his daughter from kindergarten. He's not thinking about much. Maybe what to make for dinner. Just enjoying the quiet drive. A sleek Lexus comes tearing through an intersection, driven by a young woman who's distracted, staring at her phone trying to read a map. She slams into Mario's Kia Rio at 60 miles per hour. It's not just a bump, but it's a full-on disaster. The impact is so severe, Mario's car rolls a shocking 60 feet before crashing into a parked Toyota Corolla. Along the way, it takes out a traffic signal, creating a domino effect of destruction. By the end, 3 cars are totaled: the Kia, the Toyota, and the Lexus. Miraculously, Mario survives with neck and back pain. But he's not angry. He's relieved as his daughter wasn't in the car. The Lexus driver admits she was distracted by her phone. It's a powerful reminder: no text or map is worth the risk. Be present on the road. Number 2. A heart-stopping chase on the freeway. On a seemingly ordinary day in May 2021, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, became the scene of a heart-stopping, high-speed chase straight out of an action movie. 4 teenagers, including a 12-year-old, stole an SUV and ignited a wild pursuit after a burglary call. As the stolen vehicle sped through the streets, it struck a bicyclist, Michael Evans, leaving him with severe injuries and staples in his head. But the chaos didn't stop there. The SUV raced onto the freeway, dodging police before crashing into the median. What followed was a disaster. The SUV flipped, other cars collided, and chaos reigned as metal twisted and glass shattered. Amid the destruction, 5 juveniles were pulled from the wreckage. 4 had minor injuries, but 1 was in serious condition. Their identities remain a mystery, but the reckless action left behind a trail of devastation. For people like Michael Evans, the scars, both physical and emotional, will last long after the crash. Sometimes, reality is far more shocking than fiction. Number 3. The aggressive driver and the granite wall. You've seen it, the overconfident driver weaving through traffic, like they're starring in an action movie. On this busy highway, with cars crawling bumper to bumper, one such driver took center stage, tailgating, brake slamming, darting between lanes. It was a chaotic performance, fueled by ego. Then it happens, spotting a slim gap in the far right lane, a shoulder not meant for passing, he guns it. The truck to his left and the car to his right leave no room for error. Tires screech, metal groans, and bam! The car slams into a granite wall, bringing everything to a violent stop. The scene is chaos: smoking tires, scattered debris, stunned onlookers. Yet, the driver, a 27-year-old man, miraculously walks away with minor injuries, now facing reckless driving charges. This crash isn't just physics, it's a lesson. Play stupid games and win painful prizes. Number 4. The train tracks gamble. In High Point, North Carolina, drivers lined up at a railroad crossing, waiting for a train to pass. As the southbound train whooshed by, the gates rose, and cars cautiously moved forward. Suddenly, the gates slammed down again as a second train was coming. Caught in the chaos were a blue car and a truck. The blue car's driver, stuck on the tracks, realized the danger. Without hesitation, she bolted from the vehicle, running for safety. Behind her, a truck driver faced a split-second decision: stay put or break through the gates. He reversed hard, smashing through the barrier just in time. Seconds later, the second train roared through, obliterating the blue car. The force was so intense it sent debris flying. The car's driver fled, but turned herself in days later, facing charges. Train tracks demand patience, so don't gamble with your life. Number 5. Highway chaos in Grand Rapids. Highways are meant for smooth driving, but one day in Grand Rapids, Michigan, things went terribly wrong. It started with a pickup truck. The driver swerved suddenly to avoid a stopped car, but didn't check their blind spot. That mistake caused a chain reaction. The truck cut off a minivan, which crashed into the back of it. The impact sent the truck spinning out of control, straight into Michaela's lane. Michaela, driving her Volkswagen Golf, couldn't avoid it. The truck hit her head-on. Meanwhile, the minivan flipped over and landed upside down. When it was over, 3 cars were totaled. There was glass and debris everywhere. Incredibly, no one was seriously hurt. It was a miracle. This shows how one small mistake, like not checking your blind spot, can lead to disaster. Always drive carefully and stay alert. It could save lives. Number 6. The tire explosion on a Florida highway. Jacob was driving down a busy Florida highway, enjoying what felt like a normal day. The road was packed, cars speeding by, everything moving smoothly. Then, out of nowhere, boom! A car's tire exploded. The driver lost control as the car swerved wildly, crashing into the median barrier. The force of the impact sent the car bouncing back across lanes like a pinball. Jacob's heart raced as he watched the chaos unfold. Cars around him braked and swerved, trying to avoid the out-of-control vehicle. Miraculously, no other cars were hit. The damaged car finally came to a stop, battered but intact. Jacob kept driving, replaying the scary scene in his mind. Tire blowouts are rare, but dangerous. Always check your tires. They might just save your life, and others too. Number 7. The red light chaos. Stephen was stopped at a red light in his Trailblazer, doing everything right. He was waiting patiently. Everything seemed normal until it wasn't. Out of nowhere, a car sped through the red light, not slowing down at all. Stephen could only watch in shock as it slammed into another vehicle crossing the intersection. The sound of crunching metal and shattering glass filled the air. The car that ran the red light didn't stop. It pushed the hit vehicle straight into Stephen's Trailblazer, dragging his car into the chaos. In moments, the peaceful stop turned into a scene of destruction. Broken cars, debris, and stunned drivers filled the intersection. Stephen was lucky to escape unharmed, but the elderly man in the other vehicle suffered moderate injuries. This crash shows how quickly things can go wrong, even when you're following the rules. It's a reminder to stay alert, because one person's mistake can affect everyone. Drive safe, and mistakes can change lives in seconds. Number 8. The crash that changed everything. Tim was heading to school, driving his BMW, enjoying a normal day with music on and thoughts of the day ahead. But in an instant, everything changed. As Tim approached the intersection, a driver in front of him failed to yield. The car slammed into his BMW, sending it spinning out of control. The crash left Tim with severe internal injuries, and he was rushed to the hospital. He spent a week and a half there, followed by 3 months of physical therapy and a month of psychotherapy to recover emotionally. It was a tough road, but Tim didn't let it break him. Insurance covered $8,600 for the wrecked BMW, and while fixing it, he's now driving his dream car, a BMW E39 540i. Tim's story is a reminder that even after life knocks you down, you can rebuild and move forward stronger than before. Every accident reminds us to stay vigilant, focused, and prioritize safety. If these stories moved you, please like, subscribe, and share to spread awareness. Every moment on the road matters. Stay safe.